Hi student. Today's topic is localization and calling in mobile communication. Means when we call to any number, the number of the location can be detected by using this localization and the calling procedure. To locate the address of mobile station, several numbers are to be used. That is, number one is mobile station international ISDN number. MSI ISDN. It is a 15-digit number which consists of 3-digit country code, 2 to 3-digit national destination code, and a maximum 10-digit subscriber number. So it gives the country code. This CC is gives the country code, and national destination number gives the service provider and the subscriber number. Means by using this MSI ISDN number, we get country code and the service provider. Next one is International Mobile Subscriber Identity, IMSI, which consists of the mobile country code from which we purchase the SIM. Mobile country code, mobile network code means in which where mobile mobile is present in the network, and mobile subscriber identification number. Then next one is temporary mobile subscriber identity, TMSI number. This is purposefully used to hide the IMSI number because it is the all the uh, all the original data are to be stored in IMSI number, and when it is a temporary, when it is in the VL VLR location, then this IMSI number should be hid with the help of temporary mobile subscriber identity. And next one is mobile station roaming number, MSRN. Mobile means when the mobile is not present in the home location, it is a visitor location. That time this number is to be used. This is another temporary address that hide the identify and the identity and the location of the subscriber is MSRN. And this MSRN consists of visitor country code, visitor nation destination code, and the identification of the current MSC with the subscriber number. Means when our mobile in the is in the VLRR visitor location, at that time it contain the numbers of visitor country code, means where it is visited, that country code, where it is destination national code, and the current MSC, and with subscriber number. These four number are very important to search the mobile with its location. This flow diagram shows a explanation of the localization and calling. We know that in mobile GSM architecture, the first mobile is connected to the nearest base station, the BTS, and BTS is connected to the BSCs, and after it is connected to the MSCs. Means ultimately mobile will be connected to the MSCs. The flow is from 1 to 2 connected to the MSCs. Then MSC is connected to the HLR and VLR, home location register, visitor location register. So when to identify the number, first number, the identified number should be present in the HLR if it is present in the same MSC, or it is present in the VLR if it is not present in the home location, then it is a visitor. If it is visitor, then visitor is get connected to the MSC, that this number is in visitor. Then next flow is from, depends upon the MSI ISDN number and IM IMSI number, which gives the which gives the information about the country code, service provider, and nearer MSCs where the number is to be connected. By using this one MSC will be connected with the next MSCs. This MSC will request to the VLR of MSC1 to generate the MSRN number. So as a request is forwarded to the VLR will generate the number, the M, MSRN number, that is mobile station roaming number, and this mobile, then this MSCs too will send the paging messages to all of the BSS means what? It consists of the BTS and BSCs. So throughout the paging to the all of the BTS and BSCs, such that one of the BSS will contain will can connect to the mobile station, and this mobile station will give the paging messages through one of the BTS BSCs to the MSC2 yes location of the mobile station. This, and then this mobile will give the current location of the mobile available with the system, and that is ultimately connected to the MSC1, and we get the visitor location of that mobile. And then after finding all this process, then one mobile through MSC1, MSC2, and directly to the MSC mobile station, called mobile station will be connected. This is nothing but the localization and the calling. Thank you.